To make this sourdough French bread, add your sourdough starter, sugar, olive oil, and warm water to a large mixing bowl. Stir it to break up the starter and dissolve the sugar, but don't worry if the oil doesn't mix in just yet. Now add your bread flour and salt, bringing it together into a shaggy dough. Cover with a damp towel or plastic wrap and let it rest for around an hour. Tip the dough onto a clean surface and knead it by hand for around 5 to 10 minutes or until it's smooth and elastic. Dough will be slightly sticky, so try not to add too much extra flour. If you prefer, you can do this step in a stand mixer with a dough hook. Once the dough is sufficiently kneaded, place the dough back into the bowl, cover and let it rise until it's increased by around 30 to 50%. When the dough is ready, divide it in half to create 2 logs or leave it as one large loaf. You'll need to shape the dough by stretching it into a rectangle and then rolling it up into a log. It's super simple. Then cover the dough and let it rise again until it's doubled and puffy. Now preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius and add some steam if you're looking for that French crust, or you can just spray the dough with water before adding it to the oven. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, removing the steam for the last 10 minutes. Cool on a wire rack, and for a glossy finish, brush with butter while still warm.